Thanks for tuning in, guys, to the Pest and Lawn Ginja. Today we're going to go over organic crabgrass control. Now before we start, it's important that you understand who the enemy is and what the enemy looks like. So let's go take a look. My oh my, looky what we have here. Now this, my friends, is crabgrass. You can tell by the spade tip, wide leaf grass, and the stalk and the stem. Now sometimes it can have little itty bitty pieces of hair on it, as you can see here. It's an invasive little species. Initially it's going to grow up from a stem and it's going to sprout out. Now after about a week or so, you end up with this that grows parallel to the ground, and you can see everything comes out of the middle. Now believe it or not, there's an organic method of getting rid of this little booger. Let me show you how. Now there's a few things that you're going to need for this exercise. Number one, you're going to need a screwdriver. Number two, you're going to need a hand like this one. Now hopefully I haven't confused you by now, but this next step might blow your mind. I'm going to do this and hopefully I don't confuse you guys at home. But we are going to take the screwdriver, and you're also going to place your hand on the screwdriver. Very, very simple. This next part is very important. We're going to push around the plant without disrupting it too much, and then we're going to go in a digging motion. And you're going to do this thing called manual labor. This might confuse a lot of you guys at home, especially if you're not old enough to understand it. But then we're going to gently take our hand once again, and we're going to pull out the crabgrass. Now once the crabgrass is out, we're going to gently discard it. Advanced methods to this technique will include using a hose and softening up the soil before you do it. Now, this technique can be very difficult on some of you because you just don't want to get out and do anything. Now, this cost-free organic crabgrass control does come at a price. You actually have to get off your couch, pick up a screwdriver, and get out and actually dig it up. Now, if this method is too confusing for you, please comment "too confusing" down below so one of my lawn ninjas can troll you for a couple of days. In the meantime, guys, if you have any questions or comments, hit me up. Love to help you guys out. Until next time, guys, Pest and Lawn Ginja. I'm out.